pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi! I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I do hope you will take the time and want to get to know me and subscribe and like this video and stay around for my Ipsy versus Ipsy. Now I was doing some research on this. I'm pretty sure Alexandra Ryan actually did the very first Ipsy versus Ipsy. And what that actually means is that two separate profiles, which means you go on and you sign up for Ipsy Glam Bag. This is the $12 bag, right? And then you do a profile with the opposite of whatever you did your first profile on, and then you see if they actually match those products to that profile, and you get different variations of this bag. So this is the first time I think I've ever done this. It's my first. I'm pretty sure I was a virgin. I was an Ipsy versus Ipsy virgin. Okay, now we've got two bags and two profiles. So let us see what is in the very first bag. Again, the $12 bag. Oh, and I just started getting one again. I decided to get two because I did not want to miss out. This is weird. Okay, I did not want to miss out because of the Glam Bag X, okay? So, yeah. Ooh, okay, I know there were two different bags available, I think, for this month. Oh my goodness, this is, we don't need that, okay. This is too stinking cute. Do you all see this right now? Look at that. And my brush. Did I choose this brush? I could have sworn maybe I did. I don't remember if you get choices or not. Okay, let's look at the brush. It is a Farrah brush. I do like Farrah brushes. This right here. Contour, powder, maybe foundation, but kind of small for that. So I don't know. I'll have to look and see. Okay, let's open up this bag. Ooh. Okay, the card, it says send love. And then of course it's Black History Month, which is amazing because they tell you about that, and there are so many Black-owned businesses that we should be visiting. Like, for real. Yes. Okay. Now, I love it. All right. So, wow, the card actually has the prices on it. And that was the Farrah Flat Foundation Brush. 615F it's called. It has an MSRP of $16. So, I was right. Okay. See, and they're getting a little weird because this is a little tiny. Like, I don't have a tiny face. You know, so I guess I would be putting on more. I'll have to try it in another video. Okay, next we have, let's just pull them all out. Here we are. Oh my goodness, there's a really tiny, cute little sample in here. We're going to start with that because it's just like, I'll probably lose it. Galactic Lid Gloss. Cream Eyeshadow. Shimmer and Shine Zodiac. Okay, the full size of this would be $19, but look at this tiny little thing. I hope it's focusing for you. It's a creamy copper lid gloss. Just use your fingers to blend it. We've gotten so many liquid eyeshadows recently that I am totally going to take this and put this in a giveaway, so I'm not going to open it. But guess what? We do have the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter Clear Brow Gel. I also have this. And it actually works super well. I wonder if mine is handy. Okay, so we've got a few more items in this bag. And I'm a little nervous. Alright. I told you about the Farrah brush, the liquid eye stuff, and then the brow stuff here. And I know that my camera wasn't focusing on it, so I'll put on pictures on there. But we also have this deluxe sample right here. It is called Nutrinature Ultra All Night Moisture and Relief Mask. It says when your skin's feeling extra thirsty, this super hydrating overnight mask will give you a dewy, bouncy, quenched complexion come morning. Olive oil, lemon balm, and tea tree oil boost your skin's lipid barrier to lock in moisture, plus balance oils and clarify overall. Now, if you were to get the full size of this product, it would be 100 mLs and it would be $32. It says before bed, dot in your forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin and massage into the skin. Now, tea tree oil is amazing on its own. I always carry tea tree oil in my house because it is a natural antibacterial. It gets rid of acne. It does lots of things. And if your scalp is itchy from psoriasis, guess what? Put a little bit of that in your shampoo. You are good to go. It gets rid of itchiness, all that stuff. So am I excited to try this? Absolutely. Now, this last product, I'm kind of scared. And first off, I don't know how to pronounce it. It is called Haruharu Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner. This is what it says. This gentle toner helps condition and moisturize your skin while protecting it from free radicals, pollution, and blue light. That's interesting. It's all thanks to hydrating hyaluronic acid and antioxidant-rich black rice. Now, I've heard of black rice and fermented rice and seen videos that people have used that method because of the proteins. It actually grows hair. So you can imagine if you used this toner and you had a little bit of facial hair and then you just like, I don't know, would it grow? I don't know. I'd be nervous. I'm just being honest. Hopefully I'm wrong and I'm being silly and it's nothing to do with that. But anyhow, these are the 5 products that I got in this first Ipsy bag. Do I think it's worth it? Yes, I absolutely do. Will I use this? I don't know. Not so sure about that. So that's what I got in the $12 bag. And now we're going to open the other Ipsy bag. Yes, 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 yes. Now let's see. Did my second profile work? I don't know. We're about to find out though. Okay. Bags are extra sticky lately. I'm not really sure what's going on with that. Oh, guess what? Oh, I thought I was going to get the exact same brush. I didn't. I got a Shayna B Miami brush. Look at this baby. I got the same bag. But look at that. So this is a blush brush. And it looks nice. The bristles don't feel expensive, but it doesn't feel real cheap either. So I'm sure it'll work just fine for blush. Okay, let's pull out the card. I'm guessing the card is inside here. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. So let's see what we got. It's valued at $50. Signed, sealed, and delivered. These 5 Glam Bag products. Okay. Did the other one say it had a value? Don't worry. I'm just, Yeah, same thing. Okay. It's just that these have different products in it. All right. So let's go through this and see. The only thing I see that is the same is the REP Nutrinature Ultra All Night Moisture and Relief Mask. That is it. That is the only one product that is the same. And it has that value of $32 and it's a moisturizer. Huh. Okay. Then I was right. The Shayna B Miami is a blush brush. Oh, it even says it right there. Silly me. Meet your powder blushes new bestie. This brush has a square cut shape that's easy to use no matter what your makeup skill level. Okay. It has a ton of precision and control. I'm always talking about control with brushes. And it is right, it does have control. It doesn't slide all over the face, so it would definitely work. That is good. Okay, so it has an MSRP of $23. I think that's a pretty decent brush. All right, let's see what else. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Naked Cosmetics Vanilla Lip Cream Scrub. Here it is here. All right. I have a lot of lip scrubs, so I'm not going to open this. Vanilla sounds good though. The full size version of this product would be 6.5 grams and it is $11.99. This is a deluxe size sample at, wait a minute, 0.23 ounces. But it also says 6.5 grams. Huh. That can't be right. Alright, it is very little. Anyhow, that is what we have here. So this is a lip scrub. Let's go on to, we've got another Benefit product, but it's different. Benefit GimMe Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. I do have this one as well. Whether your brows are sparse, bold, or just need a little definition, this volumizing brow gel will make them look perfect in a flash. The tapered brush provides mess-free application and makes tinting and taming super easy. Plus, the water-resistant formula won't smudge or fade. Aha! The full-size version of this product would be 3 grams and is $24. So this is a little tiny mini. And they definitely do work, I will be honest with you. So it's handy to have. I actually have mine and don't know why I'm not using it. Something wrong there. Okay, the last product that I see is by Glam Glow Bright Eyes Illuminating Anti-Fatigue Eye Cream. Like a shot of espresso for under your eyes, this anti-fatigue eye cream is the fastest way to wake up your complexion. It's infused with illuminating pigments and energized caffeine to minimize shadows on contact. Whoa. Plus a dose of hydrating hyaluronic acid to plump fine lines. So in other words, this is for dark circles underneath your eye. And it says DIY your own illuminating concealer for dark circles by mixing this eye cream with it. The full-size version of this would be $39. Okay, we need to open this because I'm curious. It has pigment in it, or, I don't know, it's balancing pigments? I don't know. Ooh, it is a really cute little jar with a cream. Okay, it's a thick cream. It's a white cream. It looks like, almost looks a little pink on the skin, which would make sense because a color corrector pink would get rid of dark circles underneath the eyes. Aha! I'm onto it. That's what it is. Here it is here. I'm not sure if the camera will pick up that slightly pink tint or not. But yeah, okay, so that is what I got in my second Ipsy Glam Bag with a different profile. The only thing that I got a repeat of was this moisturizer. And again, it might be because of what I selected on the profile. So overall, yeah, okay, this worked. Woohoo! All right, so we got the vanilla cream lip scrub, the moisturizer, the under eye cream eye brightener, which I would put in the skincare fridge, and you guys are going to be figuring out why. It'll help reduce puffiness. Then we got the tinted brow gel with fibers by Benefit. That is also awesome. And then we got the blush brush by Shayna B, which I don't think I know who that is. But overall, those are the 5 items that we got. Oh no, wait. Yeah, that's it. That's everything. So Ipsy plus Ipsy worked. Yay! That would have been cool if I had a different bag, but you know what? I'm all about these makeup bags. They're cute. And I just want to take the time to say thank you so much for joining me for this Ipsy versus Ipsy. Now, do you have 1 or 2 profiles? Is there something in there that you would like to share with me? Tell me if you liked and enjoyed your glam bag, if you still get the glam bag, or if you've canceled it and went to Boxycharm, because I know a lot of you were talking down in the comments about doing that. I just want to take the time to say thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would. I do some unboxings. I love to do makeup tips. I am over 40, so this is a Beauty Over 40 channel, but I share tips for mature skin, and I also share tips that everyone can use. So if you would enjoy that, then hit that subscribe button, turn it gray, and then turn on the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload, and I look forward to meeting you. I will see you guys real soon in another video.